Now I'm going to show you how to kind of get a terminal emulator for Windows. And on Windows, you want to go to GitHub Desktop Download. And it'll take you to GitHub Desktop. It's only typing funny. And download GitHub Desktop. Once you download and install GitHub Desktop, you're going to go into Settings, which will be in the top right corner. I think you hit to go into Settings. And when you go into Windows, GitHub Desktop Settings, I just want to bring up an image. When you go into the settings, maybe it's not called settings. Maybe it's called preferences. So when you go in there, you could choose the Git Bash as your default shell. So you'll click Git Bash and then you'll save that. And then you'll just start Git Bash, and that will be a terminal that will take Unix, Linux, Mac type commands on your Windows machine. So you'll do all of your commands through Git Bash, not through PowerShell. So there's PowerShell. So I think there's a difference.
Is this the right place?
So yeah, so just download the desktop. Yeah, not sign up, but search for Windows GitHub Desktop download.
There is also git-scm that would download just the bash software if you want to avoid all the GitHub desktop stuff. There's a nice perk to it because you have the desktop GUI, but if we only need the bash terminal,
Yeah, what do you do?
git-scm.
Where?
Like literally go to it, git-scm.
Up here?
Yeah.
Git-scm.
.com. And download it over on the right. There's only one, during the setup process, you generally kind of next all the way through the install. So there's only one radio button that I have everyone make sure they select to ensure that you get through the Git Bash. But it's a pretty easy install, and it gives me
Yeah.
Git Bash.
Yeah, this is better. Do this. Do git-scm because this is just the straight up Git, right?
Yeah.
And you might need this on Windows, so do this install instead. You're absolutely right. So install this and make sure you choose Git Bash as your.
I have a screenshot of the radio button, and see if I can find it real quick for you. Yeah, git-scm.
I'll put it in the notes.
All right. Oh, I guess I can put it in notes too.
I installed on Windows Git while ago, and I have both Git Bash and Git. Do we do the Git class?
We're doing the download and this other thing. Where's the link for Bash?
So you can now put that picture right there. I put a space for that.
Okay.
So I'm going to see if I can find the git-scm install git bash button. See what images come up. Is this it? Use git and git bash only. That's it, right?
Yes, I'm just dropping it right now.
Okay, you have that in there.
Yeah, it's kind of small. Sorry. This is the screenshot that was. You have a better screenshot. Yes, that's the only option I've ever had or ask everyone to select.
So you got to choose this one. I would go for this. Use git and optional Unix tools for the Windows command path. No, go for that. That's better. Thank you very much, Matt.
You're welcome. I didn't get teacher mode. I'm very sorry.
No, please chime in, dude.
Everything else is just next all the way through.
Like I said, man, I'm learning too.
The 2.1 download.
Yes, it's whatever loads up on the